What's up guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be changing my tires. Yes, finally it is time for me to change my tires. Alright, so this is my current tire condition. It is almost worn out. I cannot see the threads anymore. So yeah, I'm actually surprised that I got 11,800 kilometers of tire mileage for this C8 tire, the stock tire. So all my friends who owns a BS6 Himalayan or any kind of Himalayan gets a tire mileage of around 6,000, 7,000 kilometers. That's all. So the tire mileage depends on how you brake, how you accelerate, and yeah, basically your riding style. So, and also the road conditions. So my road conditions were 30% of off-road and 70% of highways and normal roads like these. So right now I'm in Dairy Circle and I'm going towards Wilson Garden. I found a shop which has the specific tire I want. So after fixing that tire, I'll let you guys know why I got that specific tire and what are the alternatives that I had in my mind. And yeah, you should probably watch till the end. It's probably gonna be informative for the people who are changing tires in the near future or anytime basically. So there you go, I'm getting the same tire, the C8 Grip XL 120/90 R17. Yeah. So I believe I could have ridden a bit more, about maybe 500 or 1000 kilometers, but I started losing grip. That's the reason I'm changing it right away. Alright, so this is the new tire. Okay, so I've stopped at a peaceful location so I can talk peacefully. Why I got the C8 tire again? I initially planned to get Timson tires. I'm a very big fan of Timson tires, but then there's only one single Timson showroom in Bangalore, and I called them. Of course, I asked them, do you guys have this tire, blah blah blah, and they were like, they're only giving it out as a pair. I don't need the front tire right now, so that's an issue. So anyways, using C8 tires, I get tire mileage of about 10,000 kilometers in average. So I thought, now it's 11,800 kilometers, right? So if I use for another 10,000 kilometers, it'll be time for me to change both of them, right? Both front and back. Front tire is gonna wear out completely at 21 or 22,000 kilometers as far as I know. So I'm gonna use the C8 tire for another 10,000 kilometers and change both of my tires, that is front and the back, to Timson tires. That's the plan. Hey, oh, that's so cute. Hi. Yeah, I guess that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope this was informative. Is there anything that I have to say about the tire which will be informative to you guys? Let me think. Yes, I forgot to say about the tires. I knew it, boys. I knew it. I knew something was wrong and I missed something. So I got the tire for 3,000 rupees, including the installation charges. That's it for the video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.